开始了吧？
Okay, the first step we should put the lubricating oil to the screw to make the screw loosen. Next step we should pick up to the reasonable socket to the screw. Now we use the Leveson wrench to loosen the screw. And we should put the fixing bar to another screw. Now we use the rocking bar.
这一节要看着，要让对准。
And we should pay attention to the rocking directions. Okay, when the screw is loosened, we change the long pole to loosen the screw quickly. Now you can see the screw is out. It's easy. Okay, next step we tighten the screw. And we also put the lubricating oil to the screw to make the screw tighten easy. Okay, we also to use the long pole to tighten the screw quickly. And then we change the Leveson wrench.
那这个向这一边了。
And we also should pay attention to the fixing bar to another screw the other side. We should notice the rocking directions to opposite the first directions. When the rocking bar rebound half of a circle, that's okay. It's over.
这啥我不好弄。你们不。